case has finally been handed over to the CBI as per the demand of the students who have been protesting ever since this rape and murder came to light in Kolkata. Now, the CBI to be taking up this probe in the next 24 hours. Horrific sexual assault and murder of a 31-year-old doctor at the RG Kar hospital premises itself. All case files have to be handed over to the CBI. Probe agency will start with its proceedings in a day's time. Kolkata High Court, while hearing the PIL, slammed the Mamata government over reinstatement of the principal of RG Kar Hospital to a different medical college in a bid to placate him. The High Court, of course, frowning on this, says the principal must go on leave immediately, failing which the court will then have to pass official orders. Postmortem report indicates forceful sexual penetration, states that the victim was killed by throttling and smothering her, and the death has taken place any time between 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Reports further state the victim's mouth and throat were constantly pressed, in such a fashion that she couldn't breathe, she couldn't scream. In fact, they've tortured her around the vaginal area in such a brutal manner that can't be worded.
There were statements made to the effect by the Chief Minister that they have no objection in transferring the case to the CBI, but it was made time-bound that after expiry of this particular period of time, we will transfer it to the CBI. But we said that this delay will be very fatal because evidence will be destroyed. So the court has heard the arguments of the parties. Today, the parents of the victim girl, they also were there before the Honorable Court by way of a petition, and I contended on behalf of my petitioners, my clients. We are rather thankful and grateful to the Honorable Court that the CBI has been now handed over the investigation.
Students representative से भी हमने बात किया है, तो उन्होंने जो डिमांड रखा है, अथॉरिटी ने कुछ समय मांगा है ताकि उनका डिमांड अथॉरिटी कंप्लीट कर पाए. तो आप लोग भी थोड़ा कोऑपरेट करें कि अथॉरिटी भी जो स्टूडेंट्स की डिमांड है वो लोग फुलफिल कर पाएंगे कुछ दिन में. और हमारे तरफ से हमने ये रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि जल्द से जल्द अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द लॉ ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन और जो इस केस से रिलेटेड है ये जल्द से जल्द कंप्लीट करें, बट विद द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द लॉ.
देखिए, वो वेस्ट बंगाल में जो घटना हुई है उसके लिए हमारे पार्टी के लोग भी वहाँ आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं और देश भर में मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी के जितने भी लोग हैं वो भी आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं. मेरे पास में उसका डिटेल नहीं है क्योंकि संबंधित मंत्री जी उसको देखेंगे, लेकिन ये तो बहुत ही डिस्टर्बिंग इंसिडेंट है. अगर मेडिकल में काम करने वाला का ही संरक्षण नहीं होगा, उनका सेफ्टी नहीं है, तो ये तो बहुत बड़ी चिंता की बात है.
The girl has to get justice, and that is the primary objective of the incident. And this is an incident which shouldn't have happened. And the way the news is also coming, definitely the state government should also take the responsibility and do the necessary. And central government also, from its side, whatever is necessary, it's going to do from its side.
We want resignation of the health minister as well as chief minister. We want, please arrest Vineet Goyal, CP Calcutta, Dr. SP Das, personal physician of the chief minister, and Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. They are the main architect of this genocide.
जब तक जस्टिस नहीं मिलेगा तब तक बंगाल का लोग आवाज उठाएंगे. ये सरकार सामने जो चल रहा है इसके पीछे कोई कॉन्स्पिरेसी चल रहा है बड़ा, किसी को छुपाने का कॉन्स्पिरेसी चल रहा है. सामने बोल रहा है फांसी होना चाहिए, कोई बोल रहा है एनकाउंटर होना चाहिए, लेकिन किसी एक का नहीं है. किसी एक को स्केपगोट बना के तुम कर नहीं सकते हो. जहाँ पे ये दुर्घटना जो भी है, इंसिडेंट जो भी घटी है, वही जगह में तुम पोस्टमार्टम कर रहे हो, वही जगह में सब कुछ चल रहा है, जल्दी से चल रहा है. इसका पूरा जांच होना चाहिए. हम लोग ऐसे इसको छोड़ेंगे नहीं. ये राजनीति के ऊपर है और महिला का विषय है.
We are extremely happy that the case has been handed over to the CBI. We have been fighting from the very first day because we have seen that in other cases also Mamata Banerjee's police only tried to hush it up. So this time also the same thing happened. From the very first day, Mamata Banerjee's police, they tried to suppress the case by saying that it's a case of suicide. When a half-naked body is found, police says that it's a case of suicide. her undergarments are strewn all over, and Mamata Banerjee's police is saying it's a case of suicide. The principal of RG-Kar, Dr. Shunjit Ghosh, a number of corruption allegations are on him. But Mamata Banerjee, she is such a smart lady. She, kind of expelled him and gave him a prized promotion in another Calcutta hospital. So whom is she trying to fool? We are getting news that a TMC MP's nephew is directly involved in it.
What BJP says is immaterial. Let me tell you this. The West Bengal government, the Chief Minister of West Bengal only wanted two things. One, justice for the victim and the victim's family. And two, exemplary punishment for the culprit or the culprits involved. Now, the Calcutta police, under the leadership of the Commissioner of Calcutta himself, the investigation was going on. Today, the Honorable High Court, in all its wisdom, has given over the case to CBI. Anyways, yesterday also, after meeting with the family of the victims, the Honorable Chief Minister said that if the investigation does not gain more speed and the investigation is over by Sunday, we would hand it over to CBI. But today, the Honorable Calcutta High Court has given it to the CBI.
Result now we demand Health Minister as well as Chief Minister should resign from her post.
मुझे खुशी है आज हरियाणा प्रदेश के अंदर 1,45,000 से ज्यादा इन पिछले 10 वर्षों में
डिस्ट्रॉय करने का तो मौका वो लोग लिया है, लेकिन
जो लोग
सीबीआई और कोर्ट
मैं उन लोगों को बताना चाहता हूं
कोशिश करेगा तो हो जाएगा।
हरियाणा प्रदेश की जनता को अपने
चीफ मिनिस्टर
हिसाब देने का काम करें।
हर पर्सनल फिजिशियन एंड वेरी क्लोज एसोसिएट Dr. S.P. Das. He is the main person. He is controlling health department in West Bengal.
And principal, sir, they can transfer to the another university, another medical.
वो तो कोर्ट बताया, तुरंत उसको प्राइज पोस्टिंग मिल गया। अच्छा परिणाम होगा। अभी तो एक पार्ट हो गया, आगे जो पार्ट को लेकर, जो मुद्दा लेकर मूवमेंट होगा, चीफ मिनिस्टर एज वेल एज हेल्थ मिनिस्टर शुड रिजाइन, त्याग पत्र दे दीजिए।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रिजर्व किया ऑर्डर ऑफ द टीएमसी लीडर अभिषेक बनर्जी's wife feel and challenge the ED summon on money laundering.
I am not commenting anything. ऑर्डर आने दीजिए।
We welcome what Ms. Mamata Banerjee has said, and that's the way to look at certain very serious, heinous crimes. If we can't protect our doctors, if we can't bring the guilty to the book in a case as heinous as this, I think as a society we need to question ourselves.